What's up, everyone? Welcome to Unlocktherapy today. Today, I've got the ultimate guide to unlocking your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max from any carrier. I'm going to keep it simple and help you get that freedom you deserve. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is contact your carrier. But before you pick up that phone, make sure you're eligible. Carriers usually have requirements like your iPhone being fully paid off, or your account being active for a certain amount of time. Once you've checked that, go ahead and call customer service and request an unlock. They'll ask for some info, like the IMEI number. Don't worry, finding that is easy. Just go to Settings, General About, and there it is. Once you've made the request, you'll need to wait for approval. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on your carrier. When you get that notification that it's been approved, you're ready for the next step. Now that your request is approved, it's time to unlock that iPhone. Start by inserting a SIM card from a different carrier. Most of the time, your iPhone will unlock automatically or prompt you for an unlock code. If it doesn't unlock right away, don't panic. Just connect your iPhone to a computer. Use Finder on a Mac or iTunes on a Windows PC and follow any prompts to restore and unlock the device. Boom, you're free. Here's a quick note for all of you using an eSIM. You might need to contact your carrier for specific instructions to get that unlocked. And a word of caution, there are third-party unlock services out there, but be careful. Not all of them are legit. Stick with your carrier if you want to stay on the safe side. Alright, that's all you need to know to unlock your iPhone 16 series. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help out. Stay connected, stay free. Catch you in the next one.